Hello there. Today we're going to learn how to use transformation to graph a function. So this is a graph of function f square root of x right here. And you notice that the starting point right here start at 0, 0, nothing over here. So this is starting point and then go this way. Okay, so we're going to see how this function move when we put things around. So let's check on this box right here. And you see that here the function of g of x equal to f of x minus h. And h over here I have 1. So over here I have x minus 1 right here. And let me move this one, see what happened when I move this here. So when x equal 1.5, you see that the graph it moved to the right. Yeah. How many over here? If you see minus 3, that it moved 3 to the right. If I see 2, then it moved 2 to the right compared to that part. Now, if I go to the other side, we'll go over here, h equals 0, so I have square root of x, which is the same with the original function f of x right here. Now, keep moving toward to the right, then the function right here, you see plus. I move to the left, half, so I have a plus x right here. If I keep moving, here would be 1, and I see my vertex right here, -1. You see that keep moving? So therefore, when you see the function like this, is inside the parenthesis, they have invisible parenthesis right here, or you see this way right here. Yeah. If you see it's here plus, that means it moved to the left, and it's minus, it moved to the right. Here in my h over here, negative, and negative and negative make it positive. So that's how it goes. So they call horizontal shape. Now we're going to visit another kind of shape here. So we have this one right here, the function right here, f of x, and then you plus k. And k over here, I have k equal 1, right? So you see the graph like above the other graph. If I keep add more, then it keep moving up. Yeah. But if I, right here, 0 will be the same thing with function f of x. Now, if it minus, you see minus outside the parenthesis, then it will move down. Yeah. So that called vertical shape. So with that in mind, then you can do some example right here. So for example, over here, a function move 1 unit to the left, you know that will be square root of x plus 1, right? So it can be right here. It equal to square root of x, so move to the left, so you have to plus 1 inside the parenthesis. Yeah. And this one here, move 3 up, so you can do over here, you can do square root of x, and then move up, so you have to get out of that, and then you plus 3. Yeah. Now this one over here is say move 13 left and 12 up. So you cannot use this one because the graph is too small. I go up to 5, -5, and you cannot see anything else. But using the rule that we learned, we can do this. So we're going to have over here, that will be a square root. Strange. Oh, I'm sorry, right here. It's going to be square root of x. So we move 13 left, right? So plus 13. And then you move up 12. So over here, you plus 12. Yeah. So what is the coordinate of starting point? So starting point, we're going to use this one right here. So a plus, so that means you move to the left, right? So therefore it had to be minus 13. And then move up, so therefore over here 12. Yeah. So you have that point right there. So I submit, I should have that correct. Yeah. Okay, now let's continue to explore some other concept as we have right here. So if I do like this, I mean, I multiply the whole function by a number. So the bigger my function go, it's gonna pull this one start up, 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 up right here, right? So let me move this one, you'll see here. So 1.5, so the point 1.25, so the point move 1.5 up. So you look at this point here, keeps pulling up, huh? See that one? So do like this, keep moving up, moving up, moving up. Yeah. Now, if I go to right here, 0, that means I have the line right there, right? 0 times everything, 0 right there. Now, if we go to negative, you see that my graph will go below the x-axis, right? It's like, but if I go over here up to 1, you see that it's right here, negative. So it's almost the same thing with the original function. The only thing different, you have a negative in front right here. So whenever you have a negative in front of original function, you see the graph will be flipped over the x-axis. Yeah. And then have another kind. So I have the function right here. So you may ask, so is that ever flip over the y-axis? Yes, so this is a case right here. So if I do like this, I have negative x right here, negative right here. So I'm gonna flip over this way. So that would be vertical flip right there. Yeah. So you can go down to get the link for this one. You can try all the questions that you have. I hope it helped. And you can find more the information about this is on the textbook, have the link below too.